I do not trust this on this, but I do not like this.
Are we going directly to point? Or what?
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 1. Capture the
Game
objective.
time, you're gonna get us.
Check this out.
They remain. Mercy one, Mercy one, Mercy one. Got Mercy, got Mercy. Lucio one. Brigade one.
Okay, Ryan, the Reaper's on point already.
Oh my god.
Sorry one.
He's one.
Run one. Reaper
No,
one.
don't charge that on! Bubble green now, bubble in. Go.
Sorry one. Reaper on me.
Reaper on me.
Reaper's by himself. Stagger this.
Point, guys.
Yeah, man.
Somebody's not camping.
Gonna make you feel better.
I guess the objective's important.
Oh, it's slightly.
Sorry, I had to leave you.
They're gonna go high ground. They're going top right.
Yep. Looks like they're swapping off Lucio, or just I have no clue. Never mind. They're just going really weird. Yeah. Roger. Bubble me.
Nice call out, dude.
Beautiful.
Nice call out. That was beautiful.
Nice.
Huge.
Ah,
Play of the game. Play of the game.
Huge.
Dude, I'm so glad you called that shit out.
Check this out.
I think they have a diva now. Never mind. People seeing that Brigade. I think it's diva. Yes, yeah.
They're going top right again.
Yep.
Halfway.
Probably a Rhino. Maybe approach Relic.
What did you hit?
No, I tried. Yeah.
Oh, they're speeding. You're gonna speed point.
Mercy one. Got Mercy. Oh, Mercy, absolutely. Got Mercy. Mercy still one.
Oh, dude.
Dragon.
Lucio.
Watch out, Reaper's approaching as well.
Bubble in 2, 1, go. Oh,
Bubble me.
I can't. I already bubbled.
Lucio.
One.
Oh, we don't see this.
Alright, we have combo. Well, they're gonna go up right again. We'll just grab him in there. So if you're ready to Sonic in there, and we'll grab him.
Alright, if you're gonna grab him, I'm gonna set up for cleave.
They have their own there. Wait. No, this is it.
No,
It's an absolute. Doesn't get talkative.
They don't have time, they have to go.
Go!
Gonna make you feel better. First round.
Nice.
Dude, I amplified more damage than I healed that.
Score 1-0.
I think in one team fight I did over like 3k damage.
You mean the barrage?
Yeah.
Green across the board.
This is Orisa.
Check this out.
You know, these kids are like, damn, is this what it's like to be in platinum?
5, 4, 3,
Only was like this would be a lot of fun.
1.
It would.
Round 2.
Hope they didn't ship my SR back.
Dang, it's disabled Master Mercy. What do we do it?
Going
Must
right.
be one.
Enemy corner.
Okay. We can just.
I got that.
Oh man, sorry.
Didn't realize they had a hog, my bad.
They have point. Locks in 2 seconds.
One's so down.
I followed you. Oh,
Yeah, the back guys. Back to 5.
Yeah, we need to not die.
shit, I'm on the wrong.
Res.
Okay.
Go one, go one.
Orisa down.
Alright, I'm going to stairs.
Bring one, bring one.
They're all in there. Jump right.
Alright, I'm in the corner,
Junker, just don't even aim. Just looking at it. Kills Mercy on point, Mercy on point. Someone trapped. Mercy come back in.
I'm,
I forgot I'm supposed to be on hog, dude. I'm so sorry. That would be good. Yeah, I totally.
Shield's too strong, dude.
should I,
me
am I
with the
staying on point?
dangerous.
Am I supposed to be on point?
Yeah.
Oh,
We should all back up, guys.
I mean, I want to spam right here. It's a perfect point for Judge.
Okay, just use that.
There might be flanking behind. Watch this, right?
They lost.
We got
the
push
one,
it,
for
push
two,
it,
one.
push it.
Heals. Versa one, push that.
We're like up in their shit. Yep, we lost one.
I've got dragon though.
Get on point.
I'm going on point,
Get Starly. I have grab.
Rally.
I'm turtling.
I have mine. Here they come. I'm ready.
What? The hog's looking for hooks? Look out.
That was good.
Nice.
You can push that. Push it on the right here. Shit.
I got Mercy, but I died. Safe for us.
Are you ready?
We're at
Oh, I
86.
can't bubble that.
I rest
No.
the
Ready? Combo.
Jump, guys.
Oh, let's break it.
Okay.
Traveling to Nepal.
Our world is worth fighting for.
Yep.
Traveling to Nepal.
Shrine. There we go. That's good.
Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
I'll swap Genji if that fits game.
How come it shows the stupid other map when it says shrine?
That's such a good question.
We don't have that kind of technology.
Yeah, it is.
It's mixed up in the array. They tried displaying it.
Elon Musk doesn't work for Blizzard, so we can't have that kind of technology yet.
Hey, thanks for subbing, man.
True self
Well,
is
I do
without
not
flaw.
fall, and I do not like this place.
But it's weird. Like Mercy's kind of weird. It's like you have pressure and you don't have pressure at the same time because it's like you have pressure to perform, but like if you are out of position and you get like one shot by a wave or something, the whole team just dies.
2,
Yeah.
1. Round 1. Capture the
I see.
objective.
Oh, it definitely does. But I saw Schwinn get out of position a few times. I remember when on the left side. Where are you going?
I'm dead. Don't res it. I
I got a bubble for you. You're good.
Okay.
Fair one.
The
Bubble in 2, 1, go. Tara's 1.
Ooh.
Tara's dead. She's
Oh
dead.
my gosh.
Mercy resing.
Over here, Ren. Ryan's 1.
Soldier one.
Nope. Not even. Oh.
Any heals?
She's
Oh,
one.
shit, she's dead.
Fair down. Soldier.
Mercy one.
Alright. Just the. Oh, I'm pinned. Oh no.
Sorry, one, absolute. Any shields or anything for me?
No, I just used it. Sorry.
Okay,
Oh,
fuck, first.
oh, heal.
Ow.
It's okay.
Oh,
You still got point.
fill it in. Fill
There's
it in.
one.
Soldier's right side.
Above.
Oh, there's.
Yeah, she's on point above.
Oh, she
Fair,
left.
fair, above. Watch.
Oh, this Rhine has shatter. Watch out. There is shatter. Block.
Soldier,
Pin.
soldier.
Pin.
Mercy res, fair. Fair probably is ult. Mercy one.
Is this alright? Oh, yeah. Okay.
He's still up there, uncontested. Pharmacy on point.
Yeah, she's down.
Oh,
That's it.
oh shoot.
Oh.
Run, come back in.
Oh, I got picked. We got the Zarya one.
I got point. I'm done.
Oh, they get the point.
96%. They won.
Over, they win.
Oh, we didn't keep that the
Best
whole time.
round.
Yeah, the whole time.
No,
Safari
we did not.
never ever got shot.
Yeah.
Score 0-1.
Okay, that was it.
I must know.
We don't play
Are we playing this one again? Okay.
Sure.
Welcome to Blizzard World. Prepare to
Okay.
attack. Select your hero.
I mean, was
I don't-
like, what was the problem there? I literally killed her like 4 times.
There was like a 30-second period where she just floated around and nobody ever killed her.
Yeah, she was
contested the
uncontested for a
entire
very
time.
long time. Yep.
She wasn't killing people. She just it was like a Lucio, basically never letting his cap.
What was that? Hmm.
True self is without form.
I think you didn't have sightlines on her because hovering up in the dome area.
I have no time for such frivolous pursuits.
Be sure to stretch before engaging in rigorous physical activity.
I didn't know you were behind. I thought you were somewhere in between, and so I tried to flank around and figure out where the Zarya was.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
All systems checked out, ready for combat maneuvers.
Be one with the darkness.
Remember your training, and we'll get through this just fine.
I don't think Farah can do that. Can she?
Let's go right side. Up the hippogriff.
Okay.
5,
It's a
4,
griffin. But
3, 2,
Oh, it's a griffin. That was a hippogriff. Thought it had wings and had an eagle face. And
capture objective A.
I
I'm gonna play back
I'll
with white.
I'm gonna bubble our Farah.
Never would have.
Oh, never mind. You killed him.
Okay, are we
We're
wrapping?
gonna grapple.
So we're wrapping, right? No?
Well, no, we don't need to.
What do
We'll
I
just go to
have to
point.
do?
Just go to point.
Right. Sorry.
What do I?
Mercy down.
Would absolute. Melee.
Hanzo
Right?
half.
For G1. For G.
Range of the objective. Form up on me.
Right. Hey, shoot the Ryan.
Oh, what
Shoot
if?
the Ryan.
Ryan is half.
Shoot the Ryan.
Hanzo on left side.
There we go.
I got the melted. She's gone.
Oh, sorry, absolute.
Did the Rhine die? That's right.
Yes.
Alright, we got it.
Objective A captured.
Oh, here's that.
Escort the payload.
Charge.
This one. The third one.
There's no barrier.
Nearly have barrage. I get damagers. Oh, we're in the back,
Have shatter.
Projected down.
Widow down.
Nice shot, nice shot. Can you bubble?
Get this barrier down.
Yeah, bubble.
Go hit it.
Go ahead.
Damn it.
Oh,
Both runs are down. I'm up.
G1 for G1.
Probably should have.
Okay, play car, guys, play car. Nice shot. Fine. Can you
Get her. Someone go get her. Pine, can you get her?
Wait, Insanity, get on car.
Who am I kidding?
There's only 3 to go push a cart.
I want to be
only
upwards.
3.
I'm gonna be upwards trying to get damage off.
Okay.
So I want you
Alright.
cart.
Enemy
One cart.
Wood up top. Going on her. Backed up.
Are you ready, Pine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm
Oh
left.
wow.
Oh, we have no mercy.
Mercy
It's
one.
out.
Okay. Ready? Here we go.
Nice shot.
Oh, I missed. We missed. He put his shield up.
Oh man.
Sorry, in our back line. Sorry, in our back line.
The payload has reached the
Sorry, half. Sorry, one. Sorry, half.
I fucked up. He put his shield up right as I was grabbing. It blocked it. He just hit his shield.
That would
Wood up top. Hit the wood at someone. Think up top.
Ooh.
Zen one. Zen still one. I got Zen. Hey, Key. Bubble me.
Go ahead. Oh, Ryan jumped. Ryan jumped in the way. Sorry.
Oh,
Delayed
there's 3 in the back.
I am so sorry, dude. Like, Ryan literally just jumped right in
Alright,
front.
we
Back
need
up,
it.
guys. Back out.
We're backing out.
The rising.
Yeah, shatter.
Oh, okay, Ryan.
I have no shot. I have no shield for it.
Nice. Go. We have all this.
Push.
McCree one. Mercy one. Sorry, it's full of hard charge.
Alright, I still have
3
shatter. Man, they have no.
McCree one.
Oh,
Sorry, one.
Three down.
I'm fine.
We're about
Yeah.
to win. We're about to win.
I've got Dragon again.
Nice block.
Get the right.
One. Zen one. Got it. Mercy. Got the ball.
Sorry.
oh. Oh,
Sorry, one. Nice. Hanzo, come here. McCree, come here. Can you shield me?
Yeah, I can shield you.
Mercy, come here.
Dude, I'm sorry. I blew that other shield.
It's okay.
score 3-0.
It was like a boostio thing. Where like he Insanity just like barely jumped in front of it and it was like bloop.
defenses. Select your hero.
So, I guess I'll play check right. Do I want to maybe go Hanzo?
Yeah. Yeah, actually, this is a good point. That's a good point.
Okay, let's do it.
But unless you want to practice Hanzo in this format. too.
Okay, I think we can do Hanzo. Fine.
Consider only victory.
I've been practicing
Find
it.
that position there.
An impossibility in your
Like,
mind.
pull it out, whip it out. That's what she said.
I was thinking about that, but I was in advance.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Peace be upon you.
Can you do that for me?
G'day, Cobber. G'day, mate. G'day, Cobber.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
I think from bottom.
Maybe they're going bottom, yeah.
They are.
Yeah.
It's been like way too long. There it is.
Go on.
Mercy down.
Watch out. Ooh, you are really aggressive there.
Oh, that's Ryan right next to me. Avoid all them
Rhino
back.
backed out. Can you res it? Never mind. You didn't
Wait.
lose anybody? Oh, okay.
No, that was it.
I was like, oh shit, what am I missing?
Yeah, that's fine. I saw the body on the guy. I thought it was West. Killed me.
I need healing.
They're going bottom again.
Yep.
Do you see ping dummy? Yeah, I see. He Widow's mid. Okay. Ouch.
I can bump the other mind.
We're fine. That's
Go
nice.
down.
Come up here, Ryan. Come up here, Ryan.
Hands are down. Widow down.
Ryan, one. Nice.
Sorry, trap. Delay.
Oops, sorry. I'm not even gonna get my damn. I'm not getting any charge because we just keep killing them so fast.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, you guys prolong these fights a little bit.
Okay, I'll get picked off in this next one.
No one can hide.
They're going bottom again. They're insane. This
Be one with the dark.
Sniper, be ready.
All right, I have shatter now.
Keep their attention on you.
15 and 45 past each hour. Head to the top for us.
No, that Ryan's absolute.
Yeah, he heals back up.
Careful.
Someone's trapped. Probably using the help.
Sorry, yeah.
Shield's half. Watch out.
Oh, you're right. Oh, never mind.
Sorry.
Oh, myself.
Right one. Oh,
So
I got stuck with it. Shield's half.
my shield, yeah, my shield's half. My shield needs to charge. I do have shatter.
I can give that to you. You can res that if you want.
You may want to pre-Valk here.
Heroes never die.
Nice, it's a good pick on what with it.
Got it.
Oh, I'm by myself. Oh, help.
Follow me, Mercy. Follow me.
God.
Okay. Keep on fighting this. Oh.
Alright.
What do you
60
sights?
seconds remaining.
I shoot you back.
Adversity is an opportunity for change.
Objective lost. Stop the payload.
Watch out with his little sights.
I'm getting tired.
Yep. Widow. He's on top.
Oh, you're right.
Not fight pushing her.
You have no heals.
Oh my God.
You have no heals.
Solo grab. He's one. I'm ready. Sorry.
We don't need you right now.
Okay.
We're ahead.
He saved you.
Hanzo. Oh, mercy trapped.
Careful on the left. Zenyatta's by himself in here. Zenyatta's by himself in the mega.
Alright, you have your tire still?
Yep, still have it.
Okay, we're gonna use it now. Pull it out.
Ready.
Pull it out.
No one can hide.
Two of them.
Got her.
Nice. This is on left side.
One. Okay, Zen's down.
Oh, Hanzo.
Nice combo, we did it.
Surprise hit 5 HP whenever it got there.
So you use trans grab. Right? They still have shatter.
Probably gonna slam here.
Yeah, I'm saving my shield for it. My shield's half. It needs charge.
Okay.
Sorry, half. Sorry, one. Sorry, one.
Bubble in 4. 2, 1. Red. Oh shit.
Woo! Alright, good.
Sorry.
Bubbling Rio.
I'm dead.
Go on.
Yeah, that's fine.
We have shatter.
I'm gonna swap onto.
Widow top, I think. Yeah, Widow's up top. I don't. On top of the spinning blue shit. Yeah. Yeah.
She's smoking right.
Run, one. Run, one.
Huge, it's huge, it's huge.
Sorry, one.
Oh god. Ugh. Oh, Widow's behind.
What did that?
Pushing.
Sharing.
30 seconds remaining.
Nice. Good job. Back. We don't have to go all the way. One person stay on point though.
No one can hide from my sight.
Nearly have my ultimate. Let's grab it.
I got mine.
Zarya's going top right by herself. She's by herself.
She's trying to
I haven't
snap.
got time.
Yeah, she's trying to sneak.
We're out of time.
You guys can collapse on Zarya.
What the fuck is that?
Ulting. Use it.
No, you did it already, sorry. Hey, we got the tire off them.
Yeah, we did.
Play of the game.
Nice.
This is not your
How do you like that Kerrigan skin?
Damn. Oh my god.
Oh, the snipers are not safe. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god. Holy shit.
But wouldn't it be kind of awkward when you join NYXL when they already have a guy named Pine?